about tarots, oracles, mediums, psychics. They be telling the truth. And when you are feeling to look into it, don't question it. Go in with pure heart and pure flow. If you question it, take a step back. Take a step back and retrace. Then do it. It's the same feeling that of trust when your lips lock and join into another, or when your eyes lick and look into the soul of another. Yes, the oracles, they do tell the truth. So you might just want to respect and honor those who are in that trade and that path, for to get to that level of reciprocating and receiving messages, so to make your next day a lighter day. Be kind, my love, for we only have what is best for you. We are only here in light. We are only here to lift you, only if you let us. And if it's not your cup of tea, don't drink it. Thank you. Mother to all living.